Senior Supreme Court Justice John Isaacs is of the view that former Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions Grant-Bethell has a good case against the government, so much so that he's allowed her application for judicial review to be processed by the court. That much was revealed in a closed chamber hearing with her attorneys today. But that's not the only thing. The Supreme Court Justice has also granted an injunction which would allow the veteran prosecutor to continue carrying out her duties as Deputy DPP. Mrs. Grant-Bethell's lead attorney, Wayne Monroe.
We got leave. We showed that she had a sufficient interest. We showed that there were reviewable issues. And we got order enjoining them or preventing them from interfering with her in the discharge of her office. And we felt the need to do that because of what was issued as a press release from the Office of the Attorney General. Before they issued that press release, there was nothing to indicate that they might interfere with her. I was shocked and amazed that they would issue it. They did issue it. The judges enjoined anyone from interfering with her in the ordinary course. That order, they can apply to set it aside on 48 hours notice. And so we have leave. The next step is to file a notice of motion within 14 days and then get a hearing of it.
Now, aside from Mr. Monroe, Mrs. Grant-Bethell's legal team also includes attorneys Maurice Clinton and Damian Gomez. Today, she was also represented by leading labor attorney Obi Ferguson, who maintains that the rights of workers are very important.
Any worker, and in this case a senior worker, is entitled to be treated in a particular manner, and there are rules and regulations governing the conduct between senior officers and junior officers ought to be followed. If a senior executive can treat what I consider to be a very senior person in the organization in this manner, what then is likely to happen to the little fellow?
Mr. Monroe also shared this bit of advice with employees.
It is important that Bahamians know that the courts are here to vindicate their rights, that they are free to come to the Supreme Court. The judges here are the gatekeepers of all our rights, and so they are free to come here to seek to vindicate their rights.
Meantime, Jamaican attorney Vinette Graham Allen officially took office as the new Director of Public Prosecutions on Monday. For JCN News, I'm Sasha Lightbourne.